If you're looking for an efficient way to use Monday.com as a CRM, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through how to leverage Monday.com to manage your customer relationships and keep your sales pipeline organized. Stick around till the end, because I'll also be sharing some awesome alternatives that might suit your needs even better. Let's start with the basics of how Monday.com works. It's a work operating system that helps teams manage tasks, projects, and workflows. To use it for CRM, you'll need to set up boards, which act as your core structure. You'll create a board for your customer data, each row representing a potential or existing customer, and the columns contain details about those customers, things like contact info, deal stage, and any important notes. Next thing, customization is key. Monday.com gives you the flexibility to customize each board, whether you want to track sales deals, customer interactions, or support tickets. You can add status columns to indicate how far along a deal is, priority columns to highlight important leads, and even integrate with other tools like email, Slack, and Google Drive. This means you won't have to constantly toggle between different apps, saving you time and headaches. The fourth thing to mention is automations. Monday.com offers automation features to streamline repetitive tasks. For example, you can set an automation to notify your team when a deal reaches a certain stage, or automatically assign a new lead to a team member when a new contact is added. These automations can save you a lot of time on the administrative side and help keep your team aligned. Now, let's talk about reports. With Monday.com CRM features, you can create visual reports that help you track the performance of your sales pipeline. You'll be able to see where each deal is in the process, how long it's been there, and forecast future revenue. These reports are customizable, which means you can drill down into the metrics that matter most to your team. Moving on to integrations, Monday.com offers a lot of them. You can connect it with tools like Gmail, Outlook, HubSpot, and more. But if you're looking for a deeper, more specialized CRM, there are other platforms out there that might be better suited to your needs. That brings us to the alternatives. While Monday.com is an excellent platform, especially if you're managing multiple types of workflows, there are other CRM-specific tools like Salesforce and Zoho CRM that are more focused on customer relationship management. These platforms offer more advanced features tailored for CRM needs, such as lead scoring, more customizable reports, and deeper email marketing automation. Now, I want to make sure you get the best deal. If you're considering Monday.com for CRM, I've got an exclusive and extended free trial for you through the link in the description. But I'm also recommending some of these other CRM solutions because they could be even better depending on your goals. These alternatives also offer free trials, so you can test them out and see which one works best for your business. Don't forget to check out the link for the best trial deals and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching.